Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It's TechWares. Today is August 11th, 2025. So some positive news for Intel today. The CEO, Lip Bhutan, met with Trump, president of the U.S., today, and it was a pretty successful meeting. Trump calls Mr. Lip a success story is amazing. So his success story is amazing, and Trump is right. If you actually do some research on Intel's new CEO, Lip Bhutan, he's pretty much as successful as you can get in the tech industry. Yeah, he just in 1987 until now, he founded Walden International. So he started with 20 million. Walden International started with 20 million, and it grew to manage 2.8 billion in capital. All right, pioneered venture capital in Asia, backed hundreds of startups, GoPro, Ambarella, I think that's how you say the name, Solar Edge, Samba Notive, Samba Nova, SMIC, etc. So mainly focusing on semiconductors, AI, cloud infrastructure, and deep tech. So that's 1987 to present. He was the CEO of Cadence Design Systems from 2009 to 2021. He led a major turnaround during a turbulent period. All right, he acquired a company. I think it was called Tensilica. I think Tensilica for 380 million. I think that was in 2013. He transformed Cadence into a global chip design leader. So the stock surged dramatically under his leadership. Then he retired from the board in 2023. Of course, became the CEO of Intel. That's this year, 2025. In March, I think 12, succeeding Pat Gelsinger, he initiated strategic restructuring and slowed factory expansion. Of course, he faced scrutiny over past linked investments, China-linked investments, defended ethics. So now we're here. So, last week Intel went, sorry, not Intel, Trump went to his social platform that nobody uses. I don't know anybody that uses Trump's social platform. I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad. I just don't know anybody that uses it, but I'm pretty sure people use it. Trump said, the CEO of Intel is highly conflicted and must resign immediately. There's no other solution to this problem. That was last week. Today he met with Lip Bhutan. So here's a picture of Lip Bhutan and his team. I think these are his team, or maybe they're part of the White House team. I'm not sure. Looking sharp, business, serious business, right? Going into the White House to meet Trump. So yeah, Trump called after meeting Lip Bhutan. He said his success story is amazing, and it is amazing. So you guys ever had an opinion about somebody? Maybe your opinion was based off of what you've heard from other people, what people have told you, and you've never met someone. Then you meet them, and you have a different opinion on them, different view on them, a more positive view. If you had a negative view before, but you never met them like in person, well, they met each other, and Trump's happy. And he called them a success. So here's what here's what Trump said on his social platform. I met with Mr. Lip Bhutan of Intel along with Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick and Secretary of the Treasury Scott Bessent. Bessent? I don't know how to say that name. So Trump said in the Truth Social in Monday, today, Monday afternoon, the meeting was a very interesting one. His success and rise is an amazing story. Mr. Tan and my cabinet members are going to be spending time together and bring suggestions to me during the next week. Thank you for your attention on this matter. So, Lip Bhutan is going to be directly meeting um, the cabinet members. I think he's going to be meeting with like directly with what is it, Commerce and Treasury, like directly. So the only thing that's going to be coming out of this for Intel is positive news. All right, because sometimes you have to talk directly to the CEO, not the board. All right, and I think some people on Intel's board of directors need to be fired, need to be let go. But yeah, that's that. This article goes on to say, this is Seeking Alpha. Trump's remarks followed a letter sent by U.S. Republican Senator Tom Cotton to Intel's board chair, asking questions about Tan's relations with Chinese companies and recent criminal case involving. This article makes it sound so bad. It's really not that. It's really not even. It's not bad, man. But yeah, it's gonna be great, man. I believe in Lip Bhutan. I mean, look at his history, successful one. There's really nothing bad to say. So yeah, this is good news for Intel. The stock went up, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it went up. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome, man. I think, in my opinion, Intel needs government funding. Simple as that. It's important for America. It's important for national defense. It makes absolutely no sense if the U.S. government funds TSMC. That is not an American company. Defending TSMC, defending. I can't say much in this video because it's gonna get like too much, into politics, geopolitics, things like that. But yeah, America needs Intel. You have to fund Intel. Every country funds their own semiconductor companies. Simple as that. U.S. has the money. Let's not lie to ourselves. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what's gonna come out of this next week, and the week after that, and the months ahead. So take care, everyone. Peace out. It's been Tech Words.